still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the brand, are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me in therapist to tell me there's a limit. I want that.
Oh, you know you make me float, float, boy, you really give me high. Ooh, feel like I'm on dope, 'cause you do.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie. If you're new here, welcome. So in today's video, I'll be cooking rice and peas and curry chicken. Today is Sunday, so that's what I'll be cooking for my dinner today. All right, chocolate. Yeah, so that's what I'll be cooking today for my dinner, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me to show you, like, you know, how I cook the rice and peas and how I cook the curry chicken. All right, so remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on the post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified. Okay, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at mini_burrell. Road to 1K. All right, let's get right into this video. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and season up the chicken. The peas already cooked. I cut up the chicken already and wash the chicken. I already cut up the seasoning, so I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, season the chicken. After we season the chicken, we look for the rice and all of that. So let's go. All right guys, we have our chicken right here. We have this is the seasoning: garlic, onion, scallion, and sweet potato. This we have thyme and garlic. This is gonna go in the pot with the curry. We also have our chicken seasoning, Maggi chicken seasoning, and better pot curry. So let's go. I'm only gonna use the chicken seasoning. I'm not gonna use any black pepper, any salt, any ginger, just the chicken seasoning. Okay, let's go.
I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the brand, are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me in therapist to tell me there's a limit. I want that and I just want you. And if I can't have you, no one should have mine. I look in my eyes, not the best idea. Is
Alright guys, so we have the butter oil right here. I'm gonna drop we drop some garlic and thyme in the pot. Now we are gonna burn the curry, and then we drop the chicken. Alright, so we're gonna make the chicken go and cook. You know, we put it on low heat. So we're gonna cover the pot right now and go and make it spring its own water, and then we'll come back. Alright guys, so the chicken up on the stove, I go and spring its own water and everything. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna look for the rice and peas. I use rice cooker, right? So I'm going to show you how me season up the rice. Me season up the rice and peas and put it in the rice cooker. So let's go. Alright, so I also have the peas on the stove. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drain off some of my water off my peas, and then I prepare it to put it in the rice cooker. So I'm gonna show you what I do. Alright guys, so this is the peas in the rice cooker pot something. This cup now, I'm going to use this cup and put the coconut milk powder in there and season it up before I put it in this. Right, so I have the coconut powder right here. I don't really like the Maggi one or the Grace one I did want, but them never have it. So I just say, I'm going to use the Maggi one. First, I use the Maggi coconut powder, so yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so I add some water to the coconut milk powder. Alright guys, so I have my coconut milk powder. So first, I add some salt. Then I go ahead and add some sugar. Then I go ahead and add some Maggi chicken seasoning. It's nice. Then I'm gonna add it to my peas. Yeah. I'm gonna add pepper in the pot. Guys, I'm gonna add some sweet pepper to the pot. Just gonna cut up some sweet pepper and add it. Yes, to the rice and peas. And then I'm gonna add some butter. Then I'm gonna put it on, say, drain off some of my water. Too much water. Yeah, too much water. So I'm gonna put it on now. So, go turn on my rice cooker and put it on white rice and make this go and bubble up before I put the rice in it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna add some water to the curry chicken. I'm gonna add some water. We're going to add the rice to the rice cooker right now. Alright guys, so while the pot bubble up, we're gonna look about some vegetables. So we have a carrot and the cabbage, and we're gonna get me mayo. So yeah.
It's on the face, no, no. Don't run away, don't run away. No, these days are for you, great, it's okay. Here on my own, but not for long. Hang on, there's another one waiting for you. Hang on, there's another one waiting. Hang on, there's another one waiting for you. Hang on, there's another one waiting. Hang on, there's another one waiting for you. Hang on, there's another one waiting. Look us on the face, no, no. Don't run away, don't run away. No, these days are for you, great, it's okay. Here on my own, but not for long. Hang on, there's another one waiting for you. Hang on, there's another one waiting. Hang on, there's another one waiting for you. Hang on.
Guys, my rice is coming together and it smells so good. Yeah. Alright guys, so my rice and my chicken I come along, everything I simmer down. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go wash up by the plates them and clear off the counter and all of that. I'm not gonna blend up nothing today because I know normally on Sundays people would have blend up juice or you know, but I'm gonna drink water, or if I'm gonna drink water, I'm gonna drink some cranberry juice. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when my dinner is finished. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Remember to subscribe guys, road to 1K. Yeah, just stick around to see the ending result or the finishing result. I don't know any one of them, but yeah, I'll see you guys when my dinner is finished.
Look us on the face, no, no. Don't run away, don't run away. No, these days are for you, great, it's okay. Here on my own, but not for long. Hang on, there's another one waiting for you. Hang on, there's another one waiting. Hang on, there's another one waiting for you. Hang on, there's another one waiting. Look us on the face, no, no. Don't run away, don't run away. No, these days are for you, great, it's okay. Here on my own, but not for long. Hang on, there's another one waiting for you. Hang on, there's another one waiting. Hang on, there's another one waiting for you. Hang on, there's another one waiting. Hang on, there's another one waiting for you. Hang on, there's another one waiting.
Alright guys, that is it for today. I hope you guys like this video. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. The food was awesome. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on the post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified, okay? Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at mini_burrell. I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.